these are.
Irish Pictorial Weekly.
Shame on me. Fool me 3 times. Welcome to see the foil.
Colin Keaveney style.
I don't like him.
Oh, really?
The Late Late Show.
Bobby King.
Moone Boy. Mrs. Brown's Boys.
Do you want a cup of tea, son?
No, Mammy. Just need the loo.
Oh.
You're very chirpy.
Well, Christmas is in the air. Here, don't you leave that toilet full of feckin' ice cubes. You know the difference between a snowman and a snow woman? Snowballs.
And the winner is... Moone Boy!
Wow, we won something. That's amazing. Normally I just hide behind Chris and let him do the speeches, but he's not here. He's on Broadway at the moment in Of Mice and Men, presumably playing one of the mice. But first and foremost, I suppose he'd like me to thank him. In all seriousness, I do want to thank him. He's been a champion of kind of me and my writing, and he really kind of changed my life. But Moone Boy is a very collaborative thing. There's a lot of this whole gang are just as responsible as me of making the show. So I want to thank our producer Ted Dowd. Teddy back there, hiding behind there. Ted is, there's a lot of producers on Moone Boy, but Ted is the one who really gets his hands dirty and makes the show with us. And I want to thank our director Ian Fitzgibbon. Amazing cast and crew as well from everyone. It's just like a big family. It's just like a big Irish family. And I want to thank Sky, who have just given us total creative freedom, which has just been incredible. And I want to thank Baby Cow and a Sprout and Grand Pictures, of course, Paul. And since I don't normally do the speeches, I really want to thank my wife. When I first moved to London, Vicky supported me for a year and just let me be a writer full time. And there's no way I'd be up here without her. So thank you, Vicky. I love you.